going on, Excellency? What happened to you? You attack Yaya Bello. You will attack Rufai. You will abandon Fani Kayode. We supported you. I don't need any appointment from you. My Lord Jesus, He takes care of me. Anytime, any day. That's the story of my life. I don't need anything from you. But this is such a shame. Shame that you will stab all of us in the back like this and bring some funny character. A serpentine character. You never know where he stands. You give him an appointment on what basis? We are the ones that put you in power. We are the ones God used.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was an APC chieftain, Barrister Jesu Tega on Akbasa, having a meltdown because he was passed over, and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu appointed Bwala as his spokesperson, as one of his spokespersons. You all know that I have done a video where I showed clearly that the Tinubu administration believe more in propaganda than in actual achievement. That's why it has about 13 people that are just covering the media for him. In other words, if you have a lot of things to showcase, you don't need that number. But all those people are there to defend the government. They are there as a buffer. Anywhere attack comes from, you get somebody who will respond. Not because they have anything to showcase. Now, Bwala is one of the latest recruits to that buffer that Tinubu had created, media buffer, so that he can be able to ward off any attack. Now, Jesu Tega or Nopasa felt that they have done a lot for Tinubu, that they were the ones that fought for him. Then how could he dare to pass them over and hand over such a juicy position to Bwala, who abandoned them, who abandoned Tinubu, and called Tinubu all sorts of names that time. We all know that Bwala called out Tinubu that time because of Tinubu's forfeiture of $460,000 proceed on narcotic to the United States government. And that was what Nakpasa is saying there. Somebody who called you a drug baron, somebody who called you this and that. And we are the one that God used to put you there. And now look at us and look at Bwala. Why? He felt that Tinubu had committed a very big sin against them, and he was mentioning people. He was mentioning people, former governor of Kogi State, that Tinubu had abandoned him. He abandoned Erufai, he abandoned Fani Kayode, people that helped him to become president. Apparently, that's what they think. But obviously, Tinubu is not thinking in that direction. It means that Tinubu found Bwala more valuable because he don't understand the propaganda that he wanted to be played out. And I think if it comes to propaganda, give it to Bwala. He's one of the best. I don't see Ortega competing with him. It's good that both of them are lawyers, but the truth be told, I don't think that Ortega can defend Tinubu effectively the way Bwala will do. Because Bwala is somebody that whichever way his belief is, he gives his all. Yeah. So perhaps that was why the president appointed Bwala and did not consider them worthy of the appointment. And in any case, Bwala himself has put himself in a position that has lost a lot of respect. This is because after all the unprintable things he said about Tinubu, knowing fully well Tinubu's record, he knew about Tinubu's academic record, he knew about everything. All you need to just go to the archive and bring out Bwala's television appearances where he took Tinubu to the cleaners. And now he's defending the same person. Even if the person invited you, you ought to have the rest for your own integrity and say, no, there are some offers that cannot be taken. But you can see that he had been working for that offer. Since after the election, he had been doing television round, praising Bola Ahmed Tinubu at every opportunity that he has. So he has gotten his payback in terms of reward for his loyalty, for his support, because I can't call that loyalty. You abandon Tinubu because of Muslim ticket, which in principle is a good thing to do. But after the election, you now went back to the same Tinubu Muslim ticket. So what was the difference between supporting Tinubu over the Muslim ticket in 2023 and supporting him in the same Muslim ticket in 2024? And from all indication, these same Muslim tickets are going to be present. This Muslim ticket is what APC will present again in 2027. And now Bwala will now work for that same Muslim ticket. It means that that doesn't show that you have integrity, you have principle. You are just like every other politician in Nigeria who play politics without principle. That's what it means. He's not alone. Look at somebody like Reno Omokri. Reno Omokri went to Chicago State University, get all kinds of documentation, did all kinds of videos on Bola Ahmed Tinubu's academic record at that university. Now he's singing the praises of Tinubu because of what? Because you just want to use that criticism, the criticism you are making against him before. It means that he had no substance. Even though those things you are saying, they were true, but it made no sense anymore. It made no sense anymore. People should be able to own their stand. Own their stand. Bwala himself said that even if you give Tinubu 30 years, he's not going to do anything on the economy of Nigeria. That he's not going to improve the economy of Nigeria. Say, give Tinubu 30 years, can improve the economy. Now he is the same person that will be coming out at the State House to be telling Nigerians that Tinubu is improving the economy, that things are getting better, the reforms are working, Nigerians will smile soon. How do you even take such a person to be your messenger? How do you take such a person to be your messenger? And that was the thing that Onakpasa them were complaining about. How do you take such a person? Onakpasa even went to the extent of calling him a serpentant character. I don't know what it means by serpentant. Can it mean that the person is a serpent or whatever? Perhaps that was going too far. But there must be something that the president saw in him that he didn't see in other people. But as far as I can see, I don't think that there is anything that Bwala will open his mouth and tell Nigerians that they will believe is true. Because you need somebody who, when he says something that the president says, or the president said this or that, you can take it to the bank. But when you have somebody whose position changes depending on who he is dealing with, that person is not worthy to be the face of any credible organization. It is because the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't even take Nigerians serious. So that's why he can rub it on the face of Nigerians by using Bwala as part of the faces of his administration at the presidential villa. Because going by his record, he ought not to be close to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But the president, because he believed in government of propaganda, and he saw that this guy is smart, this guy can turn white into black, black into white, and be able to defend it passionately to the level that you would think he believes it. That was why he chose him. Of course, he has defended himself. Bwala himself he has defended himself. Say those who are not happy that he was picked, they should also understand that if they truly support Tinubu, that they should trust the judgment of Tinubu. And if they believe that Tinubu is running the country well, then he cannot be wrong in his choice of Bwala as one of his spokespersons. You can see how he framed it. Ordinarily look nice, but that is who he is. So, but I don't know what to think about this. What do you think about the meltdown by Tinubu supporters, those who felt that they put Tinubu in, they brought him to power, that they need to be rewarded, and they don't want an outsider to come and benefit what belongs to them. Okay, and sometimes when they say this, it makes me to crack up, because I know that Nigerians rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the last election. Because even if you go by the INEC record, which is disputable, INEC declared Tinubu president because they gave him 8.7 million votes. Atiku Abubakar got 6.9 million votes. P2B got 6.1 million votes. Rabi Musa Kwankwaso got 1.4 million votes. If you calculate P2B, Atiku, and Kwankwaso vote, these are votes against Tinubu becoming president, that's almost 15 million votes that rejected Tinubu. It was almost double the votes that INEC used in making him president. And we all know the controversy over that so-called making him president by Onakpasa and co. What do you think about the meltdown of the Tinubu supporters over the appointment of Daniel Bwala? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.